Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Restart Insider. Today we're gonna talk about three cryptocurrency that I'm buying in May. If this is your first time to Restart Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and crypto trading. So if you want to make money, you can subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out any of our videos. Don't forget to get free stocks and audiobooks in description and comment at the end of the video. Today we're gonna talk about stock market update, what's happening in the stock market, and also cryptocurrency, what's going on, and three crypto that I'm buying in May 2021 with price targets. If there's any stocks that you would like me to talk about, make sure you comment below in the YouTube video. So May 7, 2021. So one great thing about today is that if you look at it, so basically everything is green. Everything is green, and that's pretty interesting because you don't really see so much green, especially recently. The only thing that is red is the USD against Japanese yen. It's because Japanese yen is at the denominator, not the numerator. So if we put Japanese on the numerator, this is gonna be green. So what does it mean? This basically means that Euro appreciates against USD, British pound appreciate that against USD, and also Japanese yen appreciates against USD. So basically, USD depreciated against three currency. And S&P 500 was up, Dow it was also up, Nasdaq was up like 0.88%, Russell up 1.35%. That's pretty big. You see, it's all-time high, really all-time high. So if anybody says that stock market is not good, or it's dying, maybe they just bought a high valuation stocks. So overall, the stock market is green right now. Crude oil is right now is $64, not much different, from the previous past few days. So I wouldn't worry about it. Gold jump a little bit to 1800, silver 27, 10-year bond 1.57 is stabilized around 1.5, 1.67, around that range. And I wouldn't worry about it. And then the stock exchange, Japanese stock exchange went up. Bitcoin 59,000, other cryptocurrency about 3.08%. So Ethereum is 3,800 right now, 3,800 on May 8. Dogecoin is 0.6786%. So overall, the stock market was up. The Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Discovery, Netflix, they were all up, overall ups. The only stocks that were down was Amazon, IBM, Walmart, a few here and there. So let's look at the most traded stock, Sundial and OCGM. Sundial has been on the top 5 for the past few weeks. OCGM they are trying to export COVID vaccine to USA, so that's why this stock has been on the top for the past few days. IBU, they are developing another vaccine for COVID, so that's why they jump a little bit as well. UVXY was down because this is inverse of the S&P 500. So if the S&P 500 goes up, this goes down. If S&P 500 goes down, this goes up. ACST farmer, they are acquiring some portfolio of the pharmaceutical products. So that's why this stock was up 16.49. If you look at it, all these stocks are like really penny stock. Look at it, except for this one, penny stock is any stock below $5 will be penny stock. So market cap is all very low, very small cap, micro caps. This is the only caps that's over 1 billion. So I wouldn't trade all these stocks, as a long-term investor. So let's talk about crypto number 3 that I'm trading. This is the guy who founded this crypto. Can you make a guess? If you know, you can comment down below. His name is Vitaly Buterin. So he's now a billionaire right now because of the rise in his cryptocurrency price. It is Ethereum. So I basically bought Ethereum and I added Ethereum on May 3rd. So I sent out alert to my Patreon stock membership club on May 3rd. So right now it's in May 8th. So it jumped 500 within 5 days. Five days. Congratulations if you made profits. If you are watching, Patreon members, congratulations. So And crypto number 3 is Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto, I think you might already know who that is. It's Bitcoin. So Satoshi Nakamoto is an individual or a group of individual who created Bitcoin blockchain. So my target price hasn't changed. It's 100,000 because I believe that more and more banks are going to offer Bitcoins because they don't want to see people deposit going into Bitcoins and they lose deposit. So they want to stop losing deposit. They're gonna offer clients to keep their deposit in Bitcoin. So they keep their deposit. They can lend out more money in that way. So I believe Bitcoin has a long way to 100,000. So it's gonna go up. That's in my opinion. It might or it might not. It's totally my opinions. Do your own due diligence before making any investment. So January 7, I predicted January 7 Bitcoin is gonna hit 45,000, but it did hit, and it's gonna hit 60,000 too. It did hit 60,000 as well. So now we are waiting for 100,000. Let's see how it's gonna be. So crypto number 1 is this guy. I'm buying this crypto. I think you might probably know if you follow my channel for some time. This is a Shimbu. No, it's Doge. It's Doge coin. I bought it on 0.11. I bought it before I added, so I sent out alert on April 13. That was only 11 cents at the time. So if Coinbase list Doge, this could go up. Yeah, there's another catalyst coming. A lot of businesses are going to probably accept Doge, and especially with Elon Musk promoted this. So this has a really cool brand name. So I believe if Coinbase list Doge, this could definitely go up. So what price? What do you think that the reasonable price is gonna be? It's gonna be 88 cents. That's what I believe. So I sent out on May 5th, April 13th. I added again on May 5th. I sent out a letter to my patron member, Palladium member. I believe it's gonna be 88 cents. In this month or next month. So all time high after I sent out a alert on May 7th, all time high was 74 cents in Dogecoin. So let's talk about 88 cents before we think about $1. So if we hit 88 cents, $1 is not too far away. So if you want to get rich, just imagine if you invested only 1,000 shares in Amazon, just pay $1,730. You will be sitting at 3.4 million 24 years later. So you can be basically you could have bought this stock at the age of 20. So by the age of 44, you are just becoming a multi-millionaire. You don't need to worry about anything. You can retire. You can go on vacations. So if you want to learn, so start early. You don't need to have a few $100,000 to start, but you need to start to have a few thousand. Start with $10 a day, a few hundreds or a few thousand. So then once you make profits, you can use that money to buy houses, to buy your first home, use whatever you like. So if you are interested to join my stock patron member, the link is going to be down below. Gold patron is for the long-term growth stock. Trading patron is suited for people who like to trade a lot, who can trade anytime they want, day trade, swing trade, moment time. And most important of all, you can send me a message, direct message if you are a patron member. Some people join, a lot of people join Palladium because this gives you dividend stock alert, long-term growth stock alert, and also crypto alert as a bonus. You can type this link on your internet browser, or the link is going to be down below in the description comment. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.